Come on, let me in. Come on. Dude, fuck you. Call the police.
We're calling the cops.
Hey, we're calling the police. If you don't leave, I'm gonna fucking shoot your ass, dude.
That's what we want you to do. Call the cops. You got some things.
What the fuck's your problem?
Hello? Call the cops.
We're fucking calling the cops. Fuck you.
Tweaker, get back in here.
Hello, there's a person out here on Hall Street, and
He's got a rifle.
they got a rifle.
Fucking problem. Tell me again. Hey, you got a problem now, dude. The cops are coming. That's your fucking problem now. Yep.